Hey Bob. How's it going? You look a bit, I don't know, preoccupied? Is everything okay?
Oh, hey Alice. Well, you're right. I'm kind of stressing out about this job interview I have on Thursday. It's a big step for me, you know?
Oh, wow. That's exciting though. Congratulations. Is it for that marketing position you mentioned last week?
Yeah, it is. But, well, the recruiter said it's going to be a behavioral interview. I'm not really sure what that means, to be honest. It sounds a bit intense.
Ah, I see. Right. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Basically, they'll ask you things like, tell me about a time when you handled a difficult situation. They want real-life examples of how you work, you know?
Oh, okay. So, like, they want to know how I act in the office? Like my personality?
Exactly. It's all about show, don't tell. Instead of just saying you're a hard worker, you tell a little story that proves it. Like, a specific time you solved a problem.
Right. That makes sense. But, what about the question about strengths? I always find that part so, well, awkward. I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, you mean?
Oh, totally. Laughs, everyone hates that part. But, look, it's your chance to shine. You have to be your own biggest fan. What would you say is your biggest strength?
Well, I think I'm good at, staying organized when things get messy. Like, when there are too many tasks at once and everyone is panicking?
That's a great one. Honestly, that's a huge asset. In an interview, you could call that prioritizing or staying cool under pressure. It sounds really professional.
Oh, staying cool under pressure. I like that. It sounds, well, a lot better than not panicking.
Definitely. And you should definitely mention a specific time you did that. Like, remember that project you finished last month with a tight deadline?
Oh, the one where the server went down? Yeah. I had to, like, coordinate 3 different departments while fixing the data. It was crazy.
Perfect. See? That's exactly what a behavioral answer looks like. You're telling them exactly how you used your strength to save the day. It's super convincing.
Ah, I'm starting to get the hang of it now. I mean, it's still a bit scary, but it's much clearer. I just need to practice my stories, I guess.
You'll do great, Bob. Just remember to breathe and, be yourself. They already liked your resume, so they just want to see if you're a good fit for the team.
Thanks, Alice. I really appreciate the help. I'm going to go home and, write down some notes. Maybe practice in front of a mirror?
That's the spirit. Good luck. You've got this.
Thanks. Catch you later.